Oh, I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch in my nose. Not in my nose, but it's like on top. On top of my nose, next to my nostril. Oh my god. Oh, I got it. Oh, it feels so good. The itch is gone. The itch is gone. Oh, you can't even do a left turn there. Just trying to do a left turn and there's a sign that clearly says no left. Come on now. Germany. I think they're from Germany. That's cool, dude. Like, see, I would love to do this. Like, at another country. How's it going, fella? So much traffic. I can't believe we could go through the middle like a boss. Like a boss. Oh, I think we saw a car crash, guys. Oh, that's bad, dude. And he had a family with him. Airbags deployed. Oh, look at that low ride there.
All my
Pop it.
Yellow low rider.
Raggedy convertible top, but still good. La Perla Tapatia Market. That guy just sleeping on the forklift. Working or hardly working, guy? Hardly working, he says. Or he's dreaming that he's hardly working, which he is. It's not a dream, bud. It's the truth. I don't know what they are. Is he pulling over for me? What is that? It's like a freaking... Wow, that thing's just weird. It's a tank. It's basically a tank. It has tracks and blades that'll cut you up. Come on, light, turn green for me.
look at that Winnebago. No, I'm just kidding.
The road. This one's throwing a shitload. Ready to take a big deep breath. Don't inhale the dust. Ooh, there we go. Now we can breathe the sort of clean air after that dust cloud.
A lot of fire trucks today. El Cerrito. Wow. Damn, look at this tractor. Welcome to Oakdale. Woo! Oakdale, bud.